Hey, what she said in that one song?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Adriaa, and y'all, good morning. Kind of want my voice sound a little bit raspy, but it's 8:16 in the morning. But as you can see by the title, we are doing back to school maintenance vlog plus a haul, y'all. I'm gonna put a haul in everything I got for back to school, because y'all see that corner over there? Whole bunch of stuff. Outfit of the day. Oh, right now I'm gonna go to my nail appointment. Y'all see these nails most definitely need to be done. Oh, and I did my lashes. I supposed to have put it on video, but I did my lashes and I got my eyebrows arched. So clock it, we'll see. So yeah, let me give y'all outfit of the day. All right, so here we go. I just got on a minimum 2-piece set. Got my Crocs on, and set is from Pink. Purse cut guy. This necklace is from Shein. Pandora rings, as well as my Pandora bracelet. But yeah, here is the so yeah, this is the outfit. Real cute. Welcome. I had a whole another outfit planned, but I ended up changing my mind. But yeah, this is my hair packs. My hair appointment is at 3 o'clock. And also, y'all, I might go shopping today, or I might just go look at the mall or something to see what's in there, because I really don't have nothing to get. I just want to go because my hair and stuff in the media. Oh, I just got to pick up my schedule. So, honestly, it's a lot of stuff. But not really a lot, but it's a lot of stuff I got to low-key do. But, I'm just trying to kill some time, y'all, because I was going to leave the house around 8:30 because she lived 21 minutes away. And now it's 8:18. I don't know if I should just leave now or wait. I might just leave now. I'm too excited, y'all. I'm ready to get my nails done. I'm gonna go get in a car, y'all, because I got a car. Oh, I gotta show y'all this. I gotta show y'all. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, y'all. So I'm walking out the house. I had to tell my mom bye. Well, see you later, and I love her. Cause yeah. Okay, y'all. Okay, y'all. So this is my little Honda. Don't mind how dirty it look right now. I haven't got it washed. I'm gonna get it washed for school though. But yeah, y'all, this all me. Okay, thank ya. Thank ya. I'm gonna put this other purse over there, y'all. Cause y'all know, I feel like every girl should have a purse that's like their home. Like, it's just got everything in there. But yeah, y'all, I got this little mirror. It say trust in God. If y'all on my TikTok, y'all know I decorated my car on TikTok. I'm still not done. I had to take a break. I just need to get, you know, at least a minimum things. But yeah, this is my car. Period. And I also got like these little things back here. I like some smell good things. But yeah, y'all, I'm finna drive on the way to my appointment. And let's go. What is there? What we keep waiting on? Like,
no real one hold you down, babe. You supposed to drown. You ain't no fuck with no boss bitch. I turned you out. You won't catch me in no shark boots. I burned them out.
Alright, hey vlog. So I made it to my nail appointment. I'm just sitting outside because I don't know where she want me to park it. Yeah, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Like, I'm standing outside her house looking like a creep. Well, I just got out the car, so what do I supposed to do? Do I just knock on the door? See? So y'all, it's 9 o'clock now, and I've been outside for 15 minutes, and she just texted me back talking about so. Give me 3 minutes. Y'all, I'm embarrassed. I'm out here looking like a stalker or something. Okay, y'all, I'm finally in. Lacey set me up.
My phone walked me on my Instagram.
For real?
Yes, I know.
Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna just do a time lapse and record it.
Bitches gotta wait till their birthday to go out of town, bro. Yeah, I talk a lot of shit. He like who you think you is, nigga, not your bitch.
Hey y'all, so my nails is dead. Look. Wait, bro. Okay, this me.
Every time I look up, I'm the topic of discussion. I'm in a fast coupe, you in a bad mood. Funky bitch, you love your pussy.
Y'all really cute. Okay, vlog. So here's the. Y'all look at my nails, y'all. Y'all look at my nails. Hold on. Yo, do y'all see this? Oh my gosh, girl, she delivered. I'm telling you. Y'all, I'm so happy. I don't know. I don't even know how to act. Like, bro, just imagine when I get my hair did, y'all. Just wait till when I get my hair did, y'all. Okay, y'all. So, okay, yeah, but like, yeah. Like, oh my goodness, like, what? All right, let's catch y'all up on the time. So it's currently now 10:48. So since it's 10:48, what we finna do? I think we finna go to the mall and go get some food because my hair appointment is at 3 o'clock. Yeah, we got time to do a little bit of stuff because my hair appointment comes, then I gotta go and pick up my schedule after the hair appointment. So like, yeah, let's go do that. Hey y'all, so I'm back and I made it to the mall, but like I don't really know if I can record in there because they like it'd be like certain places act like you just can't record, but it is the mall, so I don't think they should be tripping. But yeah, I don't know what I'm here to get, y'all. I'm just here just to be here, to be honest. Okay, y'all, so I'm here and the mall is not jumping. I think because a lot of people started school today. But, like, it's really... Y'all, nothing be in my mall for real. Like, I'm telling you, like, it don't be nothing here. And, y'all, everybody looking at me. It's so awkward. I don't know, y'all. I'm finna leave. I'm probably finna leave. I'm finna just walk in the store and go window shop for a minute. And Charlie Roos always get my money, so let's go to Charlie Roos. But y'all see this? Last time I came, they had a whole bunch of stuff. And like, I love how Charlie Roos is so cheap. Like, this is so cute. But y'all, it's too hot for all this. I know it's gonna get cold. But I'm just saying. I don't know, y'all. I don't really see nothing I really want. See, I should have just went to Target. Oh, and then y'all been wanting more tube tops. I really been liking tube tops on me. For real. I don't see none. We're gonna get copyrighted in here. Let's go to the back. Nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, the same way. You know I'll be down if this with you. Okay, but y'all, I don't think nothing in here for real. Cause look at this. All this stuff is gone. So we're finna leave and go get some food. Alright, y'all, so we're leaving and luckily Wingstop is like 5 minutes away from here. Cause it was nothing. It's nothing in the mall, like. Maybe because I really didn't already went shopping for real. But it's chill. All my stuff I got at home. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when I get back in the car. Okay, y'all, we're leaving. And I'm like, my stomach just growled. So I guess I am hungry. I guess. Gonna eat this 10-piece. Should I get a 10-piece or 8-piece today? I don't know. Maybe what I'm feeling like? Maybe a 10 pieces and some corn. Do I need that much? I don't know. We're gonna see when I get there how I'm feeling. Because sometimes I be getting 6, sometimes I get 8, sometimes I get 10. A girl needs to eat, okay? You see? Slim. Y'all, here go my little Honda. Fuck it. Yeah, so I just made it to Wingstop. I'm ready to eat.
We'll be streaming your performance today.
I'm vlogging today.
You're vlogging?
Yes.
We don't on the vlog. Hi, y'all.
Hello. Say hey to my 11,000 subscribers. Say subscribe. Say subscribe.
I've been liking Adrian, loving Adrian. She was a little girl. Very, yes.
Thank you. I think I'm gonna get Coca-Cola vanilla. I don't know, y'all. It's just something I can take. Yeah, I'm gonna eat here though, so I can be able to enjoy my food and kill some time. Cause Wingstop is not something you can sit and eat in the car, y'all. I swear, like you gotta sit and enjoy everything. I swear you do. I am going to be back when my food is here. I don't just want to be sitting here. Okay, bye. Okay, vlog, so I'm back and I got my food. Okay, y'all, so I got 10 pieces. This is the hot honey rub, 10 out of 10. Lemon pepper, definitely 10 out of 10. And you can't forget the corn, y'all. And 2 ranch. Get corn instead of fries. It will change your life, I swear. No joke. Yeah, I just see my freaking teacher from elementary school, y'all. I am so happy. I love her. Her and Miss Williams are my favorite teachers ever. Miss Young and Miss Williams, y'all. I'm gonna talk to y'all in a little bit. Hey vlog, I almost forgot about y'all, but I'm done eating. Just walked out. And it's time to head home now. Is it not? Yeah, that was good. Honestly, I got full off 8 wings. And I had to stuff the last 2 because, y'all, $18 on Wingstop, I'm going to eat it all. I'm going to eat the whole $18. The $18.40. Okay? Thank you. Had to hurry up and lock my door, y'all, because a man had walked past me doing this. Play like that. Wait, hold on. Just a little, yeah, just a little for the nails. And then y'all look this. Okay. All right. I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. Let's head home because I'm tired. I might get to take a nap before the hair appointment because it's currently 12:30. Airplane till 3 o'clock. All right. But y'all, we're gonna be back. Alright, hey y'all, what's up with it? Now I'm gonna go to my hair appointment. It's 3 minutes up the road. So that's good. And I don't know if she gonna let me record or not, but I'm gonna try to get a little snippets. But let's go. Cause I'm ready to get cooked. Thank you. Okay, y'all, so I made it. Literally 3 minutes up the road. But I'm gonna get my hair did. Yeah, I'm so ready. It's real quiet in here. It smells good though. It smells so good in the house. But yeah, let's get cute.
Pretty as a picture, sweeter than a picture. Mad 'cause I'm cuter than the girl that's picture. We can talk about it 'cause I know that I'm pretty. And if you know it too, then baby, sing it with me. Oh,
hello, y'all. All right, guys, we back. And we, oh, girl. This is exactly how I want it. Yes, I love it. I do. Hold on. We gotta pay that bill, y'all. You gonna get a video? Say hey. Say hi, guys. Hey, vlog. So I'm currently driving, but I look so cute. Yeah, I'm gonna go pick up my schedule. I don't know if I'm vlogging my school because, yeah, it's my school. But I'm gonna get to y'all when I get to y'all. But y'all see routine. He did exactly how I like it. Thank you. Okay, y'all, I just made it to my school. It's kind of drizzling. So, it's chill though. I'll be back. Okay, vlog. So I'm back. Got my schedule. It took a good little minute because she had to build my whole schedule, Lord. But y'all, my hair still looking cute, so it don't even matter. Okay. Well, y'all, for real, I'm gonna head to the house because it's been a long day. I don't know. Hey, Kirsten. I don't even know if I still have time to do my vlog. I mean, my haul. But we can still do it. We might as well do it. Shoot. Y'all in for a good little long video. Y'all deserve it. Thank you. But we're about to go home. Definitely need to go home. I'm ready to go. But yeah, I'll be back to y'all just in a second when I get to the crib. Because crib like 5 minutes away. Oh, y'all. Hello, vlog. I'm back. And y'all, I'm on the phone with my best friend. I think she should say hey. Hey. Okay, but y'all, as y'all know, I got my schedule and everything. And I also got some roses. Y'all, they are so cute. Look at me. Me and my flowers. Okay, but y'all, so this is gonna be a prepping for back to school. We're gonna do like a little series, y'all. So I am not doing a haul in this video, sadly, because the video is low-key too long for y'all. I did say y'all deserved a long video, but I kind of want to give y'all more content. So if I do more content and split them up, then I think that's even better than just pushing it in one video and cramming it all in. So with that being said, we're gonna have to end this video real soon. Y'all gonna get the haul like really soon. That's why I'm just gonna go ahead and post this. But I hope y'all guys enjoyed this maintenance vlog, because I'm looking like the baddie I am again. Nails done, hair did, lashes, everything like it. But I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And tell your friend, tell your mama, tell your sister, tell your brother, cousin, everybody that's lit over here. Thank you. Bye, y'all.